Hello everyone and welcome to this brand new course of learning animation for the beginners, and in this course you will learn how the animation world looks like. My name is Shafin Taluk Darnail and I will be your conductor for this entire course. So in this first tutorial we will learn what are the applications that has been used for learning animation nowadays, what are the top professions that you can choose to build a very beautiful career, what are the job placement that you can have as an animator, and what are the salaries of your job placements as an animator, so that you can have a clear concept of the fact that why you should choose animation as your profession. So let's get to it, and first thing first, we will learn the applications that are available on the market to learn animations. Now these are the top 5 animating tools that you can find that has been used by professional animators nowadays, but there has been some disadvantages of them and I will get to them one by one. The first disadvantage of them is that none of them are free of cost, so you have to pay a very fair amount of money, and in fact some of them are way too expensive. That is why these tools has been used only by the professional animator, right? The second disadvantage of them is that few have a very complex interface, so they are not that flexible, and the interface is not up to the mark as well. Some of them are very costly software and some of them have very steep learning curve. So now you can understand that to learn animation as a beginner you cannot choose any of these tools in the first place. So now the question is which tool I should use. We will get to that on the next tutorial, but for now all you need to know is that when you will get professional as an animator, you can use any of these tools according to your preference. The next thing that we will know is that the top professions that we can have nowadays in the entire world. So in most of the parts of Asia and Europe, software engineer and developer has been one of the top professions that can be found nowadays. Medical professionals are available around the entire world. It doesn't matter whether you are a doctor or a nurse. Then if you are an engineer background, you can have the profession of data scientist or analyst. But the fact is that a lot of us are a big fan of anime series, and a lot of us are big fan of Netflix and other stream platforms where we can find movies, anime series and stuff like that. For them, animator has been one of the top 5 professions that has been profiled in today's world. So that is why animation can be chosen as a profession if you have the right knowledge, if you have the right path, if you know the right path, and if you know your exact goals. In the next one we will learn that what are the job placement that you can find as an animator, and as an animator you can earn from 235 USD to 4,600 USD, which in Bangladeshi Taka it can be said that you can earn from 20,000 Taka to 5 lakh Taka per month as an animator. So you can start your career as an animator by having the job of a junior or game animator, and you can end up your profession as a VFX animator, which is a top paid job as an animator. But besides, you can have the profession of motion graphic designer, you can be a 3D modeler, you can be a storyboard artist, you can be an art director. These are the top 6 available job placement that can be found around the world as an animator. That has been all for today's tutorial. We will see you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care of yourself and goodbye.